Look, I am not here to give you a dream. I am here to remind you of something that you already know deep down. If you can't express yourself clearly, then the world will misunderstand you. And when the world misunderstands you, it does not wait, it moves on. That is why I keep telling you learn English. Not because it is cool. इसीलिए नहीं क्योंकि ये cool है. Not because it makes you look smart. इसीलिए भी नहीं क्योंकि तुम smart दिखते हो. But because it gives you the power. The power to speak your truth, the power to ask for what you deserve, and the power to say no when you need to. You don't need to speak like a foreigner, you don't need a fake accent, you just need to be clear, calm, and confident. Because when you speak with clarity, people listen. Plus, when you use the right word, people stop misunderstanding you. I know some of you feel shy, you think that what if I make a mistake? Let me tell you something. Mistakes are a proof that you are trying. Silence is not humility, it is fear. And fear is not your identity. होनी भी नहीं चाहिए. You have been quiet for too long. You have let others to speak for you. You have laughed at jokes that you did not understand. You have nodded in meetings when you had better ideas. And maybe you have stayed silent in the interviews even when you had the skills. Enough. Start small, 1 word a day, 5 if you are angry, 10 if you are heartbroken. Write them, use them, speak them. Don't wait for perfect grammar. Don't wait for someone else to give you the permission. You are not bad at English. You are just not done learning, and that is okay because every word you learn is a step towards the life you want. Every sentence you speak is a brick in the house of your future. So build. Build your voice, build your strength, and build your fucking story. And if they ask you why are you learning all this, look them in the eyes and say, I am tired of being silent. I am here to be heard.